What's up? Wayne Barron here with DarkEffects.net, and today we are inside of Adobe Edge Animate, and we are going to be creating this. Okay, this sort of goes along with a lesson that I did earlier today in Adobe After Effects, which is basically the same effect. The only thing that's missing in this one is the motion blur, and I'm in the process of trying to learn how to do the motion blur right now. However, I've been unsuccessful, so if anybody out there knows how to add motion blur to this, please by all means let us know. So anyway, let's go ahead and jump into this one. Let's go ahead and create a new composition here, and we're going to have 800 by 200. So let's go over here. That's not where we want to be at. Here we go. Change this to 800 by 200. Okay, first thing we want to do is put our text on the screen. It's going to be about this small. Let's try that again. Lost it. Okay. Dark Effects Production. Okay. Let's make our text about like so. Put it in the center. Okay, next thing we want to do is we want to bring out a layer. Go from right there to right here. And then we want to change the color of our layer to the same thing as our background. That way you don't see it. So this is going to be our slider. Okay, then we want to animate our slider. So let's go out to 1. Drag it to the right. And then double click, go out to 2, double click, and then drag it again all the way in. So double click, replay it. Alright, now the next thing we want to do is that we want to import. So we're going to go over here, we're going to import in this image right here, and we're going to drop that down to about 16, and we need to find out where it went to. There it is. So let's see. Well, let's drop it down a little bit smaller than that, about right there. Yeah, that looks good. So we want to put it about right up in there. Okay, now what we're going to do here is that we're going to animate our little logo here over our words. So let's go ahead and bring that to here, keep that centered, go all the way to the end. Bring this all the way to the end right there. Drop it out. Bring it to here. Double click. Make sure that it's animating in the way we want it. It's doing good. Okay, then we get about right up in here. Double click. No, actually, let's not worry about that. Let's come over here and create a keyframe for our rotate. And then right here, we want to go, well, let's create another keyframe, and then let's do a 180. So let's drag that out to there and there. Okay, and now let's move this in a little bit. Okay, now let's grab a hold of our little guy right here, and now let's go all the way to the end. drag him right there. Okay. Now we want this to be 492 as well. So let's change that to 492. Okay. And there we go. It's a really quick, simple animation. Then you can also go right here to the end and create a keyframe for the rotation, drag it to about right here, and then put it to 0. And then it'll run like so back. So that's something neat that you can add to your website or something like that. So you can even change the background color. So let's go in here and let's change the background color to black, and then go to our slider and change our slider to black, and then change our text to a gray, about like so. Yeah, there we go, like a charcoal gray almost, and then run it. Yeah, now that looks cool. I like that one better. So alright, this is Wayne Barron with darkeffects.net. Y'all have a rockin' week now. Take care.